This morning, the crypto streets were quiet, too quiet, until XRP stepped in like someone who knows the price of their own confidence. No alarms, no warning shots, just a slow, steady rise that made the whole market tilt its head like, wait, who told XRP to glow like this today? XRP moved with the energy of an old champion waking up from a long nap, cracking its knuckles and reminding everyone that history isn't fiction. You could almost feel the shift in the air, the way traders paused mid-sip, watching the chart climb with that smooth, deliberate attitude. Today, XRP isn't running, it's gliding. A kind of glide that says, yes, I still have that thing. Look closely and you'll see something funny. The people who doubted XRP yesterday are suddenly refreshing their screens like their Wi-Fi depends on it. The holders? They're smiling quietly, that dangerous smile of someone who knew the punchline long before the joke was told. And the newcomers? The newcomers are sitting there whispering, should I get in or just pretend I wasn't watching? XRP has that effect. It moves silently but loudly. Soft but heavy. Calm but dangerous. Today it's dancing between two moods. The mood of I can climb higher, and the mood of let me test who really believes. This is classic XRP behavior, giving you just enough confidence to lean forward, but not enough comfort to relax. That balance is what makes people respect it, fear it, and chase it all at the same time. Zoom into the chart, and the candles look like steps of a veteran boxer walking toward the ring, controlled, measured, but with the kind of weight that says don't blink. Zoom out, and you see the bigger picture, a coin that refuses to be forgotten, refuses to be doubted, refuses to retire. There's a certain pride in the way XRP holds its position today. Not loud pride, not influencer pride, but the pride of a coin that has survived storms, lawsuits, headlines, arguments, predictions, and still shows up as if nothing happened. It's the kind of pride that makes the whole market adjust its seat. Today's movement feels like a message, not a pump, not a hype wave, just a reminder. XRP is still part of the conversation, whether you like it or not. And if tomorrow it decides to chill again, that's fine. We'll act normal. We'll pretend we didn't see its little victory dance today. But right now, XRP is shining, and the market is pretending it isn't impressed, even though it obviously is. Thanking you for watching this video.